What are we making here?
Meat tarts.
Oh, wow. Oh, thank you.
Du är så vacker. She says you're so beautiful.
Oh, thank you. She's so beautiful.
Hon säger att du är vacker.
Welcome back to the Science Kitchen. Now today we are recreating the meat tarts from the art house horror movie Midsommar. And we start by taking some high quality beef mince and we're going to fry this in our pan until beautifully crisp, caramelized and golden. And this is really going to bring out that Maillard reaction which lends to all those caramelized beefy flavors. Once roasted, we're going to add some diced onion, cook that out for a couple of minutes, and then a crushed clove of garlic. Once that is cooked out, we're going to add our grated red potato. Stir this all through and just gently simmer for about 5 minutes. After that, we're going to add our spices to the mix. So we've got allspice and nutmeg, just to bring out some really heady aromas into our mix. Once cooked out, going to season and add some fresh herbs. We've got chopped parsley and chopped dill to really sing home that Swedish flair. Set that mix to a side to cool, and then we're going to take our springform pie dish and just generously butter this. We don't want any pies sticking to our molds. Next, we're going to get some flour on our surface and take out your ready-made short crust pastry. Get this into sections. I'm going to take 2 of these sections for each pie. Starting with the base element, just going to roll this out to a rough circle, just slightly bigger than the base of the pie dish, so it can go into the base and up the sides as well, as this is going to be a proper pie with bottom, sides, top. So just neaten up the side edges. I'm going to get this into the fridge while we work on our top lid section. Let's roll this out to a roughly circular shape. And now it's time to assemble. So we have both sections. We're just going to egg wash the inside edge of the base of the pie and the outside edge of the lid. Next, add your filling to the base, and we're going to generously fill our pie. No one likes an underfilled pie, believe me. Place your top section, and we're just going to adhere this by crimping the edges. A little steam hole to prevent our pie from exploding. Egg wash, and to decorate, we just got one of the Scandi symbols right here and some leaves. Egg wash again and into the oven. And here is our Midsommar inspired meat tart. The perfect way to fall in love without resorting to some questionable love spell techniques. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please make sure to like, leave a comment in the section below, and to really support the channel, make sure to subscribe and share this video out there. And I'll see you next time.